So hi everyone, this is David, and I'm going to do the second sort of explanation for the estimation. So again, you want them to do the sort of the 2 minutes. They will try and think what range it should be, and then you want them to discuss how they would estimate the quantity, and then what seems reasonable. So the second one is like, how many jumps would a cricket need to climb the Eiffel Tower? So if you think about it, just think about like how high can maybe a cricket jump. And then I might say, a cricket can maybe jump up to my waist or something, so half my height. So again, this is again sort of questions, how high, how can you get this? How could we figure it out? And they can do maybe these numbers. So I am, so that's maybe 2 feet. And then the Eiffel Tower, just sort of ask them like, well, how many stories do you think an Eiffel Tower is? And they might say something like, it's 50 stories. And then like, okay, how high is a story? And they might say a story is, if you just say, look in the room, they might say that there are 14 feet in a story. That's something I know, but you could ask them just looking around the room. So then what they do is that they'd multiply these two together and they would get 700 feet, and then they divide by 2 feet. So they would have 350 jumps. And again, they might not get, that might seems ballpark kind of to me, but they might not get in that ballpark, but it's sort of, can they get this sort of like how, what they need to know and what is their sort of rough estimate for it. So then if we look at what the actual answer is, which you can show them after they've gone through the process, it's a cricket jumps 3 feet. The Eiffel Tower is 1,000 feet tall, so it's 354. So my guess was I was shorter on the cricket jump and the number of stories, but I was able to get very, very close to 350 from that. And you can ask them sort of how their different estimates, like making the cricket jump too tall, how that impacts that you're actually off by getting fewer jumps.